They drew. First sip.
Nothing is over until this coffee's over.
You don't just wake up. You survive.
Live for nothing. Or sip for something.
Ram Brew.
McWobble again.
Bus pass upgrade.
5 Sparkle Chaos, baby.
Gravity hiccups free of charge.
Now that's vacation mode.
Safety first. Comfort optional.
Zyrax Voyages, because saving the universe can.
It wasn't over for me.
Yeah, well, it might be for the AC. Guess love finds a way.
Through leaks.
Aquashine Auto Spa. Love your car, leaks and all. Some mornings start quietly. Then something sparks. Every sip awakens inspiration. Start your day with Imogen R coffee.
Kindness never goes unnoticed.
No studio, no problem. AI builds your vision. From thought to film, gumvue.studio, your cinematic future.